Let me show you a quick, simple way to change Siri's voice and language spoken on your iPhone. If you're not a fan of the default Siri voice, then you can easily change this. Apple has recently added a ton of different options, so let's go ahead and take a look at them. To get started, find and open the Settings app on your iPhone's home screen. Once you're inside of here, scroll down a little bit, and in the center here, you'll see Siri and Search. Choose this. First, we'll take a look at how to change the accent and voice spoken. From this menu, here inside of the first section, find and choose Siri Voice. Here you'll then see at the top a variety of the different accents that are available, and then down below how many different options in each accent you have. So currently, if we look at this, the American variety, we have 5 different voices that we can choose from. To preview a voice, just choose one from the list here.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
It'll then preview the voice and then begin downloading it to your iPhone. Once the voice is finished downloading, it'll then be set to the default voice that Siri is going to use. You can confirm that by seeing the check mark here next to the voice that we just chose. You can then go through these different varieties or accents and try out different voices.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
And again, you'll know that it's selected when you see the blue check mark next to the name. Each variety or accent has a few different options within it, and you can choose between a female or a male voice. Make your choice, and then after that, you'll be all set. Next, let's take a look at how to change the language that Siri speaks. Head back to the Siri and Search menu here, and then above Siri Voice, you'll see Language. Choose this, and then you'll find an entire list of all of the different languages that Siri can speak. Again, just choose one that you want to use, and then confirm with Change Language, and Siri's language has now been updated. We can then head back again to the last menu, and now we see the new language next to Siri Voice. We can choose this, and now see that we have a couple different options.
Hei, minä olen Siri. Valitse ääni, jota haluat minun käyttävän.
And as you can see here, not all languages will have as many options as some of the other ones, but it does give you at least a couple of different choices. And that's how you change the accent in Siri's voice and the spoken language on your iPhone. Thanks for watching.